Welcome back. We are now at the dashboard of Microsoft Clipchamp. What we're going to do is produce a video where we have completed the editing. So we're going to go inside of a video where we have started the editing process. You're typically going to see a reload video button when you reopen a file, especially if you're not using the desktop version. So what we're now going to do is we're going to go to the export button, and what you're going to see here is we can determine how we're going to edit the video. We can edit to a 480 pixel format, 720 pixel, or a 1080 pixel file. Your video is going to export as an MP4 file. Now, if you have the upgraded version, you can also upgrade to a GIF file. Now, for the sake of this video, even though we would typically export as a 1080 pixel video, for the sake of this video, we are going to export to a 480 pixel video. And Microsoft Clipchamp will start the rendering process. And depending on your internet speed as well as how large the file is going to be, you will see there's going to be a processing time. Once you have your file, you can click this button to save the file to your computer. And your file will then be saved. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.